Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Gelato for global shipping marketplace easy tutorial step by step clearly. To download Gelato, start by opening your web browser. In the address bar, type in www.gelato.com and press enter. Once the Gelato homepage loads, look for the Get Started button. Click on Get Started to proceed. You will be directed to a new page where you can create an account. Fill in the required fields with your email address and create a password. After completing the form, click on the Sign Up button. You may receive a confirmation email to verify your account. Check your inbox for the verification email and follow the instructions to confirm. Once confirmed, return to the Gelato homepage. Now, look for the Login button and click on it. Enter your email and password to access your account. Once logged in, navigate to the Apps section in the menu. Find the Gelato app that you wish to download. Click on the app's icon to open its details page. There will be an option to download the app for your device. Select the appropriate version based on your operating system. Click the download button to start the download process. Wait for the download to complete. Once the download is finished, locate the file in your Downloads folder. Double-click the file to begin the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to install the Gelato app on your device. After installation, open the Gelato app. You are now ready to set up your account and start using Gelato for global shipping. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.